Good morning, guys. Good morning. Running a little behind this morning. My apologies. All right, guys. Good morning. Sorry about that. Was trying to get everything straight on which accounts we had to give away today. We're going to give away a FIDUS prop firm static account today, another static account tomorrow. Then we have a 50K swing account, which is basically unmatched in the space for Wednesday, a 100K swing account for Thursday, and a 150K swing account for Friday. I'm going to go ahead and reset everyone's bread so everyone is back at 0. Pull this over here so everybody can see. Reset loyalty database, reset it once, reset it twice, reset 3 times. There is, everybody has 0 bread. What is going on with my computer? Um, if you guys were trading Friday or saw any of the news, we dropped about 1,000 points from 25,350 area all the way down to 24,160s, so over 1,000 points. Um, then we had some more news on the tariffs before Sunday open about not to worry about them, and we gapped up 600 points. So the market has some wild swings going on right now. What are you yelling about, Magic Triad? Not sure what the problem is. Anyway, gonna do a speed run here real quick. We can see that today is a bank holiday in the US. There's not any red folder news. We do have an FMOC member speaking at 12:55. Gonna run through the promos real quick that are on the Save on Prop Firm's website. So we still got 80% off Apex on all accounts, $85 lifetime PA fee. No sale at Buell Knox, 83% off option 1 from Buell Knox with 1-day pass. You can have 11 funded accounts with them. 90% off day traders, trailing accounts, 80% off static, and 40% off straight to funded. They have 100% profit split and automated payout approvals. Funded Futures Network, 50% off all accounts, no activation fee, and buy one, get one free. Funded Next Futures. If you've never had an account with them, they just dropped a flash promo till October 17th. You can get 25% off a legacy account or 15% off a rapid account for a new user only. And that's only if you've never had an account with them. You have to use code HEADSTART. But if you do decide to grab an account, please make sure to use Save on Prop Firm's link. I'll drop it in the chat right now so they can get credit and keep providing accounts for everyone here for us to give away. So that's a good deal there. The rapid accounts, you can pass in 1 day and have 3-day payouts. They both have 100% profit split, and they seem to be making a big name for them coming over from the Forex space into the future space. Funding Ticks is still 35% off all accounts for new users on your first purchase, or 20% off all accounts for existing. Lucid, 35% off all accounts. My Funded Future still has the free Flex add-on going on, which takes the scale account payout cap from 1,500 to 6,000. Great deal there. Fidus Prop Firm, who is the one providing the accounts this week, 80% off the OTP or one-time payment challenges. Those have no activation fee, or 60% off regular evaluations. Take Profit Trader, 40% off all accounts, no activation fee, daily payouts with no consistency. All in price for 50K is like 102. It's amazing what they're doing right now, and I hope they continue to do it for a long time. They are unmatched. 5 accounts, copy traded with daily payouts is like a daily ATM machine. The futures desk, 60% off all accounts and no activation fee. Tick Tick Trader is 50% off their S2F Plus accounts and bundles. And then they've got 25% off their regular S2F Direct or regular evaluations. Trade Day, 30% off all accounts, no activation fee, daily payouts, just like Take Profit with no consistency. Great firm. Trade Day, 30% off all accounts, Growth, Advance, or Lightning Straight to Funded with 5-day payouts. You can get any of these great deals with code SOPF, or if you want to check them out again, saveonpropfirms.com. Hop on over here to the Influencer Cup. There has been a couple people that have passed. I believe Canadian Futures Trader has now passed, as well as Nutty Bar has passed, and I think Ike has passed. I'm still taking it slow and steady here. I moved down 4 places, but still 0 resets, no red days, 156,000. So slow and steady. Nothing really matters until we get in the funded state anyway. Georgia, no, there is no trade of 8 with Fidus. They are rhythmic. Magic Triad. The account does have an activation fee, just like the Apex accounts I gave out last week. I'm not sure why you're yelling though, bro. And come back tomorrow. I don't appreciate being yelled at giving stuff out for free. Anyway, market gapped up 600 points overnight. We just opened here at 9:30, had a push down, swept out these equal lows here on NQ, but we do have this huge opening range gap that may get filled. Huge Sunday open gap there. So I don't take any trades to about 9:45. So looking at the overall structure we got going on here, we swept this. Price is retracing now to the VWAP above 50%. If we get a failure swing here, maybe an inversion that forms here on the 1 minute may try a short. What's up? Made me buy it. So these my funded futures accounts, I messed up and continued to trade after I got off stream. They only have about $100 worth of drawdown left on them. Lucid accounts are still okay. Apex PAs are fine. So 9:45 now. We do have this 1 minute fair value gap here with this big inversion that formed here. Maybe interested in something like this. If we inverse that 1 minute, so about 150 ticks. Looking like we're not going to get that closure, but I kind of like this as a setup, even though it's going to involve a lot of risk. We have a 3-minute inverse here. And then we have ultimate buy side up there. So, but we also have the VWAP. Looking at the 3-minute here, if we get filled at 24,800, which is also the psych level. So right there, let's see if we get filled on that. Or if we don't get filled. Everybody have a good weekend. Anybody do anything fun? Looking like the train is going to leave the station without us here. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Anybody placed any trades since Sunday open? Anybody red, green? How y'all end up right now? Let's see if we get a retracement down here to 50% of this leg, right to the psych level by the VWAP before we continue to move up, or if we'll just continue to move up here. All right, guys, there's no reason to check your bread literally every 2 or 3 minutes. Yeah, it definitely looks like we're not getting filled on that at all. Missed the entry. Okay, entering macro time here. We just flipped to 10 o'clock. We didn't get filled on that trade, even though it looks like it would have been an absolute banger. All good. But we did just take this internal high out. So 9:05 high to 10 a.m. high. We have symmetry between all three indexes. They all just made a new high there. We still have that huge Sunday opening gap below. Let's see what we get here. If we're going to get a continuation, because we still have big amount of stuff to reclaim from the sell-off on Friday from the tariff news. All right, trading view. Come on now. We got a singular 1 minute here. We are in macro time. We just swept an internal high there. If we get an inversion here, try a short. It's about 165 ticks. Let's see if we get an inverse, or we're just going to bounce here and continue higher. Weekend was good. How was yours? How was everybody else's weekend? Oops, sorry, mic was muted. See how I'm going to see how this candle closes right here and may try a long if we respect that little 1 minute fair value gap there. We're definitely trending up. Let's see if it gets respected here. At about 10 seconds till a closure. Finger on the trigger. Respected. Going long. Stop below this low. That low is 64.75. We're going 64.25. 2 ticks below. And this buy side over here is at 44.25. So we're going to go 3 points short. We're going to go, we're already 3 points short there. So entry was 891.25. Stop is 64.25. Take profit 41.25. So about a 1 to 1.85 here. Just see if we can get a continuation move up here. When we take out this high here, I'm going to move my stop up underneath this low, which the low of that candle is 883. So we're going to go 882.50. So let's see if we get a move above here. We have psychological level at 24,900 here that we need to blast through. We're currently above it, but we need to get above 24,900 for a continuation to 24,940 area. Getting quite a bit of resistance here. If we take out that high, I'm going to move the stop up there. Not liking the formation of the candles here. Bulls need to get over 24.9 here. We take out that high, like I said, I'm moving my stop up 24,882.50. High taken out. We're going 882.50. Oops. We did get a new high there on NQ, but not ESRYM. That's not a good sign. And immediately stopped out. So we have SMT that just formed there. So if we inverse this 1 minute, I'm going to try a short. So we did just inverse that. So I'm going short. High of that was 1375, so we're going to go 1425. Targeting those lows down there. So SMT up here at the highs. So we're in at 886. Stop is 1425. Take profit. We'll do 37.75. Flush that thing. Flush it. Flush it. Yeah, looking like it's just not going to be a good day for me here. Immediately back over the 900 level. Need the 900 psych level to hold here. Dump it. Dump it. Flush it. Flush it. Need to see this 1 minute fair value gap here inverse. And I might feel a little bit better about this because the consolidation we're having up here around this 24,900 psych level, I don't really like it. Makes me think we're just consolidating before the next leg up here. But like I said, when I first started the stream, we have that huge Sunday open gap that's just sitting down there. And currently up almost 480 points on the day on NQ. ES is up 90. YM's up 400 or 500 points. There we go. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. That's what I want to see. Come on, keep dumping. We just inversed that 1 minute. That's a good sign. Keep dumping here. So we have another psych level at 50 that we need to clear. And then we have one at 800. So we need to see price close below these levels. There we go. There we go. Dump it. Dump it. Go and break even here. Slightly above break even. Since we took out that low over here. Currently up about 200 ticks on this. We've got another 1 minute fair value gap here. We'd like to see this inverse. Bringing stop down some more. Dump it. Nice, nice. There we go. Beautiful. Looking for this 1 minute to inverse here. Come on, take us all the way down. There's that 800 level again. The low of that candle was 788. Bouncing off the psych level of 24,800 there. We just inversed this. So price close slightly below VWAP there. Push back up here, right off that 800 level. That's why I talk about psych levels all the time. I'm gonna flush it here off this inversion. Flush us down. Flush us down. If we get stopped here, I'm gonna re-enter for a short off that inversion. Because you got the 850 psych level. Talk about edging my stop there. Foreplay. That was a nice dump there. Come on, give us some continuation here. Dump it. Dump it. There we go. With the momentum we've got going here, I'm moving this all the way down to the low. So we got a low of 724.50. So we're going to do 726.50. Or 727.75. Talk about edging my stop there, though. Jeez. Come on, flush it. Flush us all the way. Like to see these 2 1 minutes here. We got double stacked fair value gaps there. Like to see those inverse. So once again, price hit the low of that 24,797.75, so 24,800 psych level, and just bounce 15 points again. So that's a strategy right there. You could literally set a limit right on a psych level, 24,800, 10-point stop loss, 10-point take profit. And that could be your whole strategy and what it's based off of. We need to clear 24.8 though. We need price to go below 24.8 and close below. Push it. Push it. Dump us under 800. Flush it. Flush it. Come on. Blow through it. Blow through it with some power. There we go. We're under 800. We need to hold under 800. Come on. Push us down here. Flush it. One good flush down. And we should clear that level just fine. under 800, but we need to close under 800. We closed slightly under 800 there. No, we closed it exactly 24,800. We didn't close under it at all. So there's that scalp again. Price at 24,800. Put a 10-point take profit, 10-point stop. Bam. You would have hit it like 3 or 4 times now if you were just scalping. Looks like they don't want to give up the 24,800 level. Flush it. Mean threshold of those two upload candles. Order block is currently holding. We did slightly wick above there, but no candle body close above the midpoint. That's a good sign. And price is kind of gravitating around the psych level of 24.8 now in the VWAP. The VWAP just happens to be right around 24.8 as well. So let's get a clean push down here below. A lot of back and forth at this level. We need the bulls to push us under 24.8 here, psych level, and hold it under 24.8. If we take out this low here of 24,787.75, I will trail my stop down some more into profit. Looking like I'm going to get stopped here. That's okay. If we get stopped, we're going to go short again in this inversion. Bro, y'all chill on the bread because you're starting to look like bots with 5 people going bread, 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 bread all in the same second. Stopped out there. Gonna try a short here. Especially the 4 people that just came in ID 2411 Royal Blade Snakes. All came in at the same time with 0 bread and immediately checking it. All right, we got about 30 seconds left here to see. I want to see if we inverse this 3-minute fair value gap. If we inverse that, I'm going to try a long. I did not inverse. But we did inverse this 5-minute. So I'm still going to try a long here. We got about 164 ticks of risk to 285 ticks here of profit. So we're going to try a long. Entry 863.50. Target is 942. I'll do 42.25. Stop 822.50. So we need to get over the 24,900 psych level, and I think we're definitely going up to that buy side. Which is also London high. I have ES London high left up there, and Q and YM. Let's see if we can inverse this other 5-minute here. And I definitely think we're going up there. Looking good here. Looking like we getting stopped here, guys. I don't know. It's close here. Yep, I think I'm getting stopped. If price holds this 5-minute fair value gap, I may add one more contract right here for a quick scalp. No, not looking good. Not adding another there. Stopped out. All right, we closed below VWAP here. I'm going to try a little short. under the trend line, under the VWAP. Push us under 800 here. Under 800, flush us on down. That's 24.8 level. Just every time we touch it, we're bouncing back up. Can't seem to stay under it. Hopefully this is the time. I'm gonna move one of mine up to this low here. See if we can scale part of it. Come on, give us a little flush here to 69. Come on. There we go, scaled half, moving this into profit. See if we can ride this all the way down. Move this up a little, move it down a little bit more. If we get stopped, that's okay. Yes, this price action is pretty annoying here. But that's what happens when you gap up 600 points overnight. Stopped out there. I gotta use the bathroom. I'll be right back. All right, we get a retracement here to this little 1 minute order block. I'll put one on about 100 ticks risk to 180 ticks TP. So we'll do a sell one, something like that right there. Looks like I got stopped on that by just a couple ticks. If I wouldn't have trailed up so high, I'd still be in that. $25 gamers. Sorry, it should be on the chart over here somewhere. There it is. Whole lot of irregular names going on here that are checking bread every few seconds. Got 18 people in the stream. Like double that people with points. Let's see if we get filled here. Almost got filled there. About 2 points away from getting filled. We're gonna get filled. We need 770.25. Filled. See if we can ride this down to this low now. Or immediately get stopped out. ES did not take out the morning low, which formed around 936. YM has not taken it out either. So let's see if we can ride it down here to this low. Flush it. Flush it for us. We take out this low here. I'm going to move above break even. Just made a small inversion here. We'll add one more. About 80 tick stop loss. This above this high. 82. Let's see if we can get both of those filled down there. Flush us through this low here. Come on. We got the 750 psych level we need to get under. And tell me you're going to go all the way down there by that low and then just leave it. Don't do me like that. Moving this 2 ticks above that high. The high of that candle is 779.25. We went 779.75. Hopefully we hold right here, but it's not looking like it. Looks like we're just in the chop now. Flush it. Flush it. Flush it for us. No, flush it. There we go. Flush it. Flush it on down. Come on, get us under the 50s. Nope. Can't get under the 50s here. Gonna get stopped. ES took out that morning low, that 930-ish low. 936 low was taken on ES. YM has not. Excuse me. NQ has not. Not liking the look here. SMT, I think I'm going to get stopped. Stopped out. This price action just won't make up its damn mind. Gonna try going short here. See if price gets up here to the 800 level, and we'll try a short there. Slightly just above 800. All right, we're filled. Let's see if I immediately get stopped out or we reject back down. We got the VWAP there, 813. We also got that psych level, 24,800, but not looking good. Nope. Immediately stopped out. Just lost my funded futures accounts right there. I just go ahead and disconnect that. Just stuck in this range right here. All right. I'll try one more short here. 50% retracement on that leg. VWAP, psych level. %62 retracement here. Going short. Yeah, those two My Funded Futures accounts I lost. I took two payouts from each account, and those were from their big 50K account core giveaway. So I paid $1 a piece for each account and took two payouts for each one. I think like over 12 or 1300 total piece out of each one. So I'm happy with that. Paid $2, made like 2500 bucks. That's a pretty good deal to me. Well, not liking the look of this. Need this trend line to hold here. Yeah, psych level of 850 here too. But it's not looking like it's going to hold. V-shaped recovery there on the 5 minute. These Apex accounts are about to liquidate themselves at negative 500 on the day. Did the same shit I did on Friday. Had a green day, got greedy, and now I'm about to hit auto liquidation again. Yeah, it's not looking good here. Personal daily loss limit on the Apex accounts is negative 500. So looking like I'm about to get hit on that and taken out on those. Same thing on the Lucid accounts too. So market just wants to pull higher here, just fuckery back and forth, back and forth. If I don't get liquidated here, it's nothing but luck. Here it goes. I got auto liquidated on some of them, but not some of the other ones, which makes 0 sense because all the settings are the same. That's good old rhythmic for you. I'm just going to flatten everything. Same thing I did on Friday. Same damn thing. Small green, got greedy, ended in major red. I'm going to go ahead and open the giveaway up. I got to take a break for a second. I'll run it till 12. There we go. It's running. I'll be back in a few. Alright, I'm back here. Mad at myself. Did the same thing I did on Friday. Again today. Was green on the day. Let myself go red. Only thing I can say about the Apex accounts is now I'm down about 1,000 worth of drawdown. Got about 1,500 worth of drawdown left on those. They aren't blown. I blew those two My Funded Futures accounts. Gonna go ahead and trade the Trade Day Influencer Cup account. London high still hanging around up there. Got 30 minutes left to enter on the giveaway. Price up here at the psych level of 24.9. Gonna try a scalp here if price gets to 24.9. 10 points in each direction. So we're gonna set a sell here at 24.9 with a little scalp. 10 points in each direction. See if we get filled here. Actually, I'm going to try a long here. Let's see what we can get. Still think we're going up there to London low. not going the direction I thought it would. Looks like we're going to go right back into that range. Talk about wide range choppiness here. Highs, lows, but not really getting out of this range in between 800 and 900. Got 16 minutes left to enter the giveaway here, guys. Will NQ ever get up there to take out London highs, or will we just continue to chop here? You guys check out that pinned message. We'll be giving away FIDUS accounts all week long, and in order to claim, you will need to be registered on FIDUS's website. If you haven't already, the link to register is pinned to the chat. Check it out. Go ahead and register. Make sure if you win, you can get the account. price just playing ping pong in between 24,900 psych level and 24,800 psych levels. No follow through really in either direction since we opened. $11 minutes left to enter the giveaway. TradingView froze up on me again. Had to Control Alt Delete it to get it to come back. 7 minutes left to enter. Are we going to get a new high here? Since open, need to get over this high here. There we go. Nice little move so far. We need over 24.9 psych level. We need to get up and close above 24.9. Four minutes left to enter before the giveaway entries closed. I can't control anything to the bot. It's all automated from the Streamlabs bot. It's out of my control. You got 2 minutes left here, so Still can't get over 24.9. Check it again. 30 seconds left. 30 seconds. 10 seconds. You better hit target smash just in case. Wow, you just barely got in there, gamers. All right, entries are closed. On the poll, it's the spin wheel. So we got some janky stuff going on again. There's only 13 people in here right now, but we have 31 entries. So we're going to let the bot pick. I'm just going to copy everybody here. 31 people. And we're going to enter it into the picker. Paste them in there. 31 right there. You can show we have 31 over here. We're going to add the list. We're going to spin. It's for one Fidus prop firm 25K static account. We'll be giving accounts away from them all week. So I'm going to go ahead and spin. Good luck. The winner has to speak in the chat within 5 minutes. Here we go. Spinning. Spin, 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 spin. The winner is Natty Email. Natty Email, are you here? Make sure you send a message in chat within 5 minutes. You have till 12:09. Thank you. Finally moving up a little bit here. Let's see if we can take out that buy side up there. Natty Email, are you here? You got till 12:09. All right, Natty's here. Save on prop firms on Twitter a message and tell them you won the Fidus 25K static account today during the stream. Make sure you are registered on the Fidus website so you can claim the account, and they will get you straightened away. So I appreciate you guys tuning in. I'm going to go ahead and cut this.